Hi, I'm Stefan. I'm responsible for the software development.
I'm Naomi. I'm responsible for the hardware development. We have designed a system which consists of two products. One of them is the VRIOT power plug. VRIOT power plug is a traditional IoT equipment which allows any electronic appliance plugged in to be switched on and off by our mobile app. Another product is the VRIOT robot. Let the robot introduce itself now.
Hello, I am VRIOT. It means Visual Recognition Internet of Things. I am an object-oriented multifunctional robot. When I see different objects, I can apply different methods on those objects.
VRIOT uses the visual recognition technology to replace the traditional way of tracing objects by installing many IoT devices on all objects. In daytime, VRIOT can walk around in a museum to recognize artwork or models by open NV camera. We will now demonstrate.
This is the Eiffel Tower.
This
is the Starry Night.
This is the Mona Lisa.
When VRIOT recognizes artwork or models, it will speak by TTS to introduce those exhibits. As you could hear, VRIOT can speak in multiple languages. Therefore, VRIOT can be the tour guide in museums. Another function of VRIOT is as a security guard. In nighttime, when VRIOT walks around museums or warehouses, it detects human by the PIR motion sensor.
Intruder detected.
If an intruder is found, it will turn on the alert lights attached on the VRIOT power plug and inform the security officer by our mobile app. Next, the security officer can inspect the suspects through our IP camera.
Intruder detected.
Finally, the security officer can switch off the alert light after inspection.
Let us show you how the VRIOT is made. In the hardware part, there is an IP camera, which the controller can see what the IP camera sees. And there is a mobile phone which connects all the equipments in the VRIOT body to the internet. And there is an EV3 block which controls 4 motors. They are the 2 arms and the 2 wheels of VRIOT. There is an Arduino Mega board which connects OpenMV and the PIR sensor. It also has a ESP8266, and this can make the Arduino connect to the internet. There is batteries and mobile batteries which power all the equipments. Finally, there is a Bluetooth speaker in VRIOT. In the software part, I use different programming language to make the VRIOT. Firstly, I use object-oriented Python to program the EV3 clients. And secondly, I use object-oriented C++ to program the Arduino. And I use Cordova and Microsoft Signal Allo technology to program the mobile apps. Our programs are all open source. You can find them out in our website www.vriot.site. If you want to learn more about object-oriented programming, you can also visit my personal website www.7.top.